Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Concept of Data Structures. I hope that you guys are doing well. So in today's video we are going to start up with the concept of variable. What is variable and how can we use the variable in C++ programming language? So let's get begin with the things. And before starting our video, it's a humble request that please subscribe my YouTube channel Concept of Data Structures and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Concept of Data Structures. So let's begin with the things. So first I'm going to open my compiler, that is dev C++. If you are using any other compiler you can go with that compiler, because the IDE of the dev C++ is very comfortable for me, so I recommend personally to use the dev C++ for the coding of the C++ programming language. Now what is variable? So there are two concepts. First concept is constant and second concept is variable. So before exploring the concepts we have to create some header files. Hash include iostream, then hash include conio.h, then using namespace std, integer of the main, which is our main function, then get ch. Okay, so I have defined all the header files and I have created a source file too. So what is variable? Variable is a data location that is used to store any kind of data. And what is data? Data can be a decimal number, or data can be a non-decimal number, or data can be a character, or data can be you can say that data can be a string value. So all these things can be stored in a variable. So how can you create a variable? So for creating a variable, first thing you keep in your mind is that what kind of data is available that you are going to store in your variable. So whether you want to store constant, whether you want to store character, whether you want to store decimal value, whether you want to store the non-decimal value, or whether you want to store a string in your variable. So all these are part of variable. So now what if I say that I want to store a decimal value into a variable? So for that purpose I need to go with the data type int, that is integer. Okay, now int, and what will be my variable name? Number 1, int number 1 and number 2, and these are variables. So what I am going to do is int number, a simple variable. Int, I want to create a variable which is named as number, and I want to store the non-decimal things into it. Now I am going to write number is equal to 2, and now I am going to cout number. Okay, and execute, compile and run, save the things. So on the console you can see 2. So this is the simplest concept of variable that you need to understand, and this one is referred as the variable declaration. In the line number 6 you have declared the variable, but in the very next line you have initialized the variable. Initialize the variable means that you need to store a value into a variable, so it means that you have initialized the variable. So it can also be done in one line. If you want to declare and initialize a variable in one line, so you can go with this approach. So int number is equal to 2. Now the variable is initialized and it is declared as well. Now I'm going to press the compile and run, so you can see 2. Okay, so that's the simplest concept of initialization and declaration of the variable. So that's all from today's video. I hope that you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel Concept of Data Structures, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel Concept of Data Structures. Thank you.